What's the meaning of censorship? Censorship. Censorship.
Censorship. Censorship. Censorship refers to the practice of controlling or suppressing information, speech, or artistic expression that is deemed inappropriate, harmful, or offensive by a particular authority or group. This can take different forms, such as government regulations, media restrictions, or self-censorship by individuals or organizations. The result of censorship is often the limitation or denial of access to certain information, ideas, or opinions, which may impact freedom of expression, creativity, and knowledge dissemination. It can also lead to a lack of diversity and critical thinking, as well as potential violations of human rights.